Hi everyone, welcome back to Jacinta'sworld, World, where we cook simple, delicious meals with love. In today's video, I'm taking you through how I make my tasty and moist beef pilau with simple ingredients, perfect for family lunch or a family treat. We're going to add some oil to this fry first. We're going to go in with our 5 sliced onions. We're going to fry them until they turn a beautiful golden brown color. Going to add a spoonful of ginger, garlic, followed by a pilau masala. This is where all the aroma begins to build up. Sorry I didn't capture that part, And now where we add in our pre-boiled beef, because I had boiled it, and now we're going to mix everything together and let it cook for a few minutes so that the flavors can blend in perfectly well. Going to add in our waru, that is our Irish potatoes, and then give it a good stir. And also in this place you can add salt, and maybe if you have any seasoning cube or whatever, you can just add in at this place. And now our rice, your Kamsina rice, we're going to mix everything well. I had used 1 cup of rice. That means we're going to add 2 cups of water using the same cup that I measured the rice with, and that is our first. And then we're going to add the second one. and then we're going to cover it and let it cook until everything is well done. And just like that, we have our delicious moist beef pilau, perfect for sharing. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Jacinta'sworld World for more easy and flavorful dishes. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.